Hi, I'm Tamara and welcome to our Wyoming Dutch Oven Cooking Channel. We're going to be doing something really fun today. The peaches are coming on. Some of these are coming up from Colorado and they are really good and juicy. And what we're going to do today is this Wyoming Whiskey Peach Glazed Chicken. And it truly is made with Wyoming whiskey. And what we have in here is Wyoming whiskey, Head Country barbecue sauce, ketchup, Adobe sauce, and I did cut up a fresh peach and dice it up and put it in here with minced garlic and minced onion and Worcestershire sauce. And what we're going to do here is we split a whole chicken, as you can see, and then I drizzled it with olive oil. And I'm not going to put any more seasoning on here because this barbecue sauce has definitely got a kick to it and a lot of seasonings going on. I'm going to bake this in the oven for about an hour, take it out, put our barbecue sauce on it, and then I bake for another half hour to an hour so it's nice and glazed. And at that point we will put thinly sliced peaches on top and it will be awesome and beautiful. And you can serve it with salad, fluffy mashed potatoes, or whatever you'd like to do. All right, we'll see you in a little bit with this finished chicken. Remember to subscribe and hit the like button and give us any comments and feedback. We love comments. We cooked our chicken for an hour with the lid on. I put my barbecue sauce on, and I don't know if I told you earlier, but in this barbecue sauce is some of my homemade ketchup, which is a little bit spicy. We zip that up a bit. And I also, when I took the chicken out, I took my turkey baster here and took some of the grease out of the bottom. Sometimes chicken has a little more grease than other times. And then I'm going to lay some freshly sliced peaches on top. Oh my, this is going to be awesome. And then we're going to bake this uncovered, probably for about an hour, and let it glaze nice. Of course, my peach slices don't want to stay on top beautifully, but we'll get it done. Okay. There we go. Now I'm going to put this back into our oven with the lid off and bake it for an hour. There we go. All right, our chicken got done. As you can see, it turned out wonderful and it smells so yummy. You know, you don't have to use a whole chicken. We just have a really good source for whole organic chickens from a local farmer that we just love. But you can use drumage, you can use thighs, whatever you love to use. And please remember to subscribe, hit the like button. And here's to all of our viewers. Please continue to watch us. As the summer goes on, we're going to have a lot of fun recipes with wonderful fresh produce. Thank you so much and good evening.